Your brain is always learning, not when you're studying, not when you're reading, always. Right now, as you're watching this video, your brain is changing. That might sound impossible because it feels like you're just listening, but your brain isn't just listening. It's collecting evidence. And that's the first equation you need to understand. Imagine your brain as a mathematician. Every second, it's trying to solve one problem. Who is this person becoming? It doesn't use words. It doesn't use emotions. It uses evidence. Every action becomes a variable. Every repeated action increases that variable's value. Every emotion changes how much weight that variable carries. Your brain keeps collecting those variables until it has enough information to make a prediction. That prediction slowly becomes your identity. Let's imagine two people. Both want to become successful. Both read the same books. Both have the same dream. But every evening, their equations become different. The first person says, "I'll start tomorrow," then spends 3 hours scrolling on their phone. The second person also feels tired, but instead of trying to work for 3 hours, they work for just 15 minutes. The next day, they do it again. Then again. From the outside, 15 minutes doesn't seem important. But your brain isn't measuring effort. It's measuring repetition. Every repetition strengthens the neural pathways involved in that behavior. The more often a pathway is used, the easier it becomes for your brain to activate it again. That's one reason repeated behaviors often feel more automatic over time. Your brain begins predicting. This is what we usually do. Eventually, that prediction becomes your default behavior. Not because you made one life-changing decision, but because your brain kept updating the equation. This is where most people get stuck. They try to change the answer. They say, "I want to become disciplined. I want to become focused. I want to become confident." But they never change the variables. You can't expect a different answer if you keep giving your brain the same inputs. Change one variable. Repeat it long enough. And eventually, the equation produces a different result. Here's today's human equation. Repeated behavior plus time equals identity. Your identity isn't something you discover. It's something your brain gradually builds from the evidence you give it every day. So tomorrow morning, don't ask yourself, "Who do I want to become?" Ask yourself, "What equation am I teaching my brain to solve?" Because one day, your future will become the answer.